it's running. Bryant Sentry's running. What compressor does this thing have? It's got a Copeland compressor. There's not been running. And that's not working the best, honestly. It's really unfortunate. But, oh, it's rattling a little bit. Alright. There's another. Oh my goodness, the comfort got replaced. It looks like a Bosch. Yeah, that's a Bosch. Got replaced with a Bosch. What the heck? Yep, that value got replaced. I think a lot of those mirror sensors are running. I don't know. Oh my goodness, is that a ring bell? I didn't even see these. Are they running? There's a ream value back there, which is definitely looks like it's been dormant for a while. Alright. Well, yeah, there's that Bryant Sentry on it. And it does have a Copeland compressor. Sounds really nice. I'll see y'all there at that another brand new Bryant Sentry. Sweet, dude. This brand new Bryant Sentry. This thing has no logo. It does have a broad ocean fan motor. It's got a GC scroll, unfortunately. I didn't know they still use it. 2026, 5-ton. I think that's my first 2026 Bryant Sentry. That's awesome. And then here's all these Ameristars. These are all off. Wait, this looks brand new. What this? No, this is 2024. Nice, dude. Let me just focus on the data one more time. Look at that. It is a 5-ton. This looks like the one identical in my neighborhood. I think it might be a pain, but I don't know. And then that Comfort must have had a refrigerant leak because it did end up getting replaced. Oh, this does not sound good. That sounds rough. Check this one. I have a Bristol benchmark. No, it's a scroll. A new Bosch that replaced the carrier Comfort, which is low on refrigerant. Probably had a leak. Oh, it's a ComfortStar. Wow. And that train is running, I think. This has been running too. I don't know how to read these, but it's a 5-ton. That was a scroll. This is a heat pump as well. I think the old Comfort might have been a heat pump, but I can't remember. And it does appear to have a microchannel. I don't know what kind of compressor. Oh, it's an LG. Of course it is. Those XR is running. Sounds weird. Oh, this is running. Just carry Comfort that up. Get the data on. It's on the other side. 2007. It's a 5-ton. This one has the barbecue fan grill on. Oh, it's running without the compressor. It's running without the compressor. Oh, no, you can just barely hear it. Yeah, brand new ComfortStar. Well, that's 14A, so it might be. Oh, the train just shut off. The train just shut off. Bryant. Yeah, this ComfortStar has actually been running. But yeah, RP of that. It wasn't even that old. It was like a 2014 Carrier Comfort. It's identical to that one. Alright, this sound system is running. Alright, let me go to these. So I'll see y'all there.